Hi. To make up for the long absence on video, I will make it up and post a video for 10 days, a little video about my life, about our life in Brittany, life by French design. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear it. La joie de la campagne. I thought it was like, oh yeah, nice, calm. You don't hear anything the whole day, and now they start working. C'est pas grave. Okay, so I'm going to make a recipe. An idea I got from Maxime. Thank you. I will try it now. It's a rooibos strawberry cocktail. There was a special name for it. I can't remember, but I will post it. So I have made some strawberry puree. I need a drink, a non-alcoholic drink. Let's go. Let's do it. And I have rooibos tea, red bush tea, very healthy. Ooh, nice color. I taste it with this straw. Nice, refreshing. I was thirsty. Cheers. Newman, come say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Well-trained cat. See you tomorrow.